President Trump might soon face an indictment for a far-fetched campaign finance violation over an alleged payment 7 years ago to a porn star. A state charge for a federal crime. How does that even work?
Tuesday, March 21st is going to be an interesting day. In this video, we discuss why is Donald Trump being arrested, what is going to happen Tuesday when Trump is arrested, and is there going to be a protest Tuesday if Trump is arrested, and how will it affect the markets?
Hey guys, Darren here. Thanks for joining. We talk about action steps you can take today to increase profits and reduce risk in your options trading portfolio. Please check out and download the free options workshop in the link below.
It talks about the two main reasons why options can be less risky and more profitable than just buying stocks alone. It also details how to profit in both directions and pick your win percentage, which you cannot do in buying stocks alone. Also, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below. I appreciate it and it helps out the channel. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial planner and I'm not recommending trades. Please do your own research, and if you're new or learning options, I recommend you start small. Why is Donald Trump being arrested? Back in 2016, before the election, Trump's private lawyer, Michael Cohen, paid Stormy Daniels $130,000 to not discuss an alleged sexual relationship with Donald Trump. Government watchdogs argued the payments were meant to influence the election and therefore should have been publicly disclosed. The DOJ already spent years looking at this possible campaign contribution violation and came up with nothing. I think we could all see this coming a mile away. What is happening now is that they are trying to take another look at this possible business records misdemeanor and supercharge it into a felony. It's a 7-year-old case and the statute of limitations expired 2 years ago. They will need to attach another charge to extend the statute of limitations. Some are saying that it could be a conspiracy in which it would likely rely on Michael Cohen, Trump's former attorney, who is now a convicted felon. Many think it's purely politically driven by Alvin Bragg, a Manhattan DA, and that it is abuse of our legal system to bring this case up again. What is going to happen Tuesday when Trump is arrested? Trump still has Secret Service protection. Bragg's office notified federal officials and Trump's Secret Service. It will be arranged. He will be fingerprinted and released on bail. The left would love for Trump to be publicly seen in handcuffs and a mugshot, etc. However, I don't think that's going to happen. After the arrest, there will later be an arraignment where charges are presented. Trump's attorneys will likely make a motion to dismiss based upon the legality of the charges. If not dismissed, then he will then enter a plea of not guilty. Trump's biggest challenge is that in New York, a jury might have no problem convicting him. There will be legal challenges and appeals before it ever gets to trial, if it ever does. Appeals will be his best defense. Just as in numerous other attempts to bring Trump down, I doubt this will work. However, we will see. Is there going to be a protest Tuesday if Trump is arrested, and how will it affect the markets? Alvin Bragg has downgraded felonies to misdemeanors in Manhattan. That's his MO. Armed robbery? Oh, that's a petty crime. Many people feel it's a shame that the justice system is being used for politically driven prosecutions, as it appears to be in this case. Bragg probably thinks he has to stop Trump and save the nation. Maybe he should be more focused on the rampant crime in New York. Anyway, I think everyone is getting tired of these charades. And for this reason, I don't think there will be a rampant protest if he is arrested. I also don't think it will affect the stock market at all. The bigger day will be Wednesday when the Fed speaks and possibly raises interest rates. It's too early and we don't even know if Trump will be the Republican candidate going forward. He's just beginning to campaign, and we've got Ron DeSantis and others in contention as well. However, when people begin to digest what is being done here by the DA and the effort to stop Trump from continuing with his campaign, there may be a backlash resulting in more support for Donald Trump. However, if he is convicted, which I think is unlikely, then they may have accomplished their goal.
All right, guys, I put a link down below for the free options workshop. Be sure and grab that. Also, let me know what you thought of this trade and what you're trading in your options trading account. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.